हम एक रैपिड फायर करेंगे, क्विक क्वेश्चन क्विक आंसर, वन आफ्टर अनदर. इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी
एज
फास्ट.
अ साइंटिस्ट क्विक आंसर इज डिफिकल्ट, पर चलो ट्राई करते हैं.
लेट्स ट्राई इट.
Yeah,
एंड
yeah.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा बिकॉज यू हैव सो मच
To say, that's the problem.
information and
Right.
it's going to be very interesting.
I'll
Let's start.
try and condense it.
So one skincare step that people underestimate the most.
Deep cleansing. This is why facials work, but आप रोज facial नहीं
नहीं करा
करा सकते.
सकते. The biggest mistake people make in skincare today.
हाँ, the 10-step skincare,
The
Korean skincare.
Oh really?
Oh yes, it's the worst. मतलब आप कोरियन नहीं हो.
One product category that is most overused in skincare.
Actives.
All
All
actives.
actives. All actives. They are all good. I'm not saying they don't work, but they are interventions, not daily skincare.
One thing people do daily that silently damages their skin.
Actives.
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 Okay. One sign that someone is overdoing their skincare.
If their skin is confused, like one day you feel it's too dry, one day you feel it's too oily, and I think the best sign is अगर धूप में निकलते ही लगता है ना my skin is burning,
अच्छा.
then it's a problem. It's a big problem.
One ingredient people use without understanding it in skincare.
One ingredient, I think all the ingredients. It's just very unfortunate. Problem क्या है ना, हमें लग रहा है हमें पता हमें कुछ है नहीं.
नहीं है.
Yeah, so that's a problem. And it's fair. Like सबको biology आनी ज़रूरी नहीं है. आपको आपके प्रोफेशन के बारे में पता है, बट आपको ऐसा समझाया जा रहा है that आप स्किन केयर एजुकेटेड हो. नहीं हो सकते ना, उसके लिए जन्म लगते हैं.
One thing skin actually needs more than products.
Rest.
Rest.
Reductionism.
No products actually.
No products actually.
The first step to fix a damaged skin.
The first step to fix a damaged skin, reductionism. Drop everything and just stick to a basic deep pore cleanse, face wash, and calming formulation, moisturizer.
ठीक है. One skincare trend you wish would disappear.
Oh, retinols.
Retinols.
Oh yes, I wish they disappeared because they are so good, and that's why they are the biggest problem right now, because they increase the cell turnover. तो वो actually glow देते हैं, पर वो glow actually inflammation होती है. जो आपको लगता है कि ग्लो, जैसे हम आइस करते हैं फेस को, तो लगता है ना फेस कितना सुंदर रेड हो गया, दैट्स इन्फ्लेमेशन. दैट्स व्हाट रेटिनॉल इज
that's not good.
नो इट्स नॉट. सो इट इंक्रीजेस द सेल टर्नओवर नंबर, एंड सेल टर्नओवर कैन ओनली बी डन फॉर 40 to 50 times, and after that your skin starts to inflammage.
You should not use retinol.
No.
The most common cause of sensitive skin today.
Actives.
Actives.
And not going out in the sun. One should go out in the sun, train your skin properly, because people have not trained their skin. Otherwise, ये कितना stupid लग रहा है बोलना, train your skin to be in the sun.
To be in the sun.
Because we are born to be in the sun. But yeah.
Don't use sunscreen.
No.
The most unnecessary step in modern skincare routine.
Sunscreen.
Yeah. One word that defines healthy skin.
That can live without a face wash, a moisturizer and a deep pore cleanse for 2 to 3 days if need be. मान लो आप ट्रैकिंग करने चले गए, वहाँ तो पानी भी नहीं होता नहाने के लिए, तो मुंह तो कहाँ ही धोगे आप. इमेजिन करो, देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल आई हैव हर्ड दिस, वी कांट इवन इमेजिन गोइंग फॉर द ट्रैक, हमारा फेस ब्रेकआउट हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
वो डर जिस दिन नहीं होगा ना मन में, यू हैव अ ग्रेट स्किन.
So I think one word that defines healthy skin is survival.
Yes.
Your skin has survival.
Yes, it can manage on its own, because it really can.
Yeah. One thing that matters more than expensive products.
Formulation.
Yeah.
Yes. Who has made it and with what intention?
Biggest lie skincare marketing is telling right now.
Biggest lie. Honestly, मुझे पता नहीं वो झूठ बोलते हैं या खुद भी ignorant हैं. मुझे नहीं पता. I really don't know. So I don't know if it's a lie. I genuinely feel that there is some communication gap, because ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि सारी दुनिया ही झूठ बोल रही है और मैं ही सच बोल रही हूँ.
Exactly.
I don't think that's true. I will not say कि मैं ही एक सत्यवादी हरीशचंद्र हूँ. नहीं, मैं नहीं हूँ. तो I think there is some miscommunication happening somewhere. I think जो मैसेज बना रहा है और जो डिलीवर कर रहा है, बीच में कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है. I think Chinese whisper जैसा कुछ हो रहा है.
Okay, one thing that cleanse your pores deeply.
It is to be done daily, and I would highly recommend mine. Reset deep pore oil cleanse. But it should not be used on active acne. It's a mistake a lot of people are making, and then they get really angry with me. मैंने साफ लिखा है, अगर आपको एक्ने है तो प्रॉब्लम रीसेट की नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम है कि आप एक्टिव एक्ने को हाथ क्यों लगा रहे हो.
नहीं लगाना.
एग्जैक्टली. एक्टिव एक्ने को हाथ नहीं लगाना और आप उस पर ऑयल मसाज कर रहे हो, तो इसमें मेरी या ऑयल की क्या गलती है.
ठीक है.
सो
Natural ingredients are always safer than products. Truth or myth?
नो, नेचुरल और आर्टिफिशियल ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. दे जस्ट हैव टू बी माइल्ड and they have to be aligned with your system. ऐसा it's a myth that natural ही अच्छा होता है. नहीं, like I said, curcumin is a natural ingredient, but if you use it wrongly, either it will do nothing or it can also spoil.
Okay. Oily skin does not need moisturizer.
No, it's a myth, but yes, there are days when you feel like you don't want to apply it. That day you really should not apply it.
ठीक है. Skin heals better with less products.
Absolutely.
Truth.
Absolutely. 100%. 200%.
Drinking more water alone fixes skin.
ओशन में डूबने से स्किन ठीक हो जाती है?
नहीं.
No, there is a balance that is needed. ये एक और myth है. This is also marketing so that the water bottles can be sold.
Okay. Chocolate causes acne.
If you are already having a gut issue, then yes, chocolate, milk, all these are a problem. Otherwise, no. But yes, again, balance. अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ कि no, chocolate and milk are not a problem if your gut is healthy. Then you go and drink 2 gallons of milk. फिर बोलो नहीं हमें problem हो गया bloating का. वो मेरी गलती नहीं है. Balance.
ठीक है.
So
And last one, makeup damages skin permanently.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Once in a while if you're using it and then you ensure that you clean it properly. And of course good makeup and change your makeup every 6 to 8 months. This is a mistake we do. हम लोग नया makeup नहीं खरीदते because इतना use कोई करता नहीं तो ख़त्म किसी का होता नहीं.
बिल्कुल नहीं होता.
है ना, तो मेकअप ख़त्म होता नहीं है, तो कम मेकअप खरीदो और पुराने पे फेंक दो.
ठीक है. I have another very short round, very interesting, जिसमें I'll give you a word
Okay.
and you have to say the first word that comes to your mind.
Okay.
Let's say if I say one word, the first word that comes to your mind, you just have to say it. ठीक है. First, niacinamide.
Good ingredient but over abused.
Over abused. Retinol.
I don't like it.
Sunscreen.
Useless.
Exfoliation.
Very damaging.
Skin barrier.
Everything.
Microbiome.
That is where your skin and your body lives.
Acne.
It's okay. Unless it's really, really infective, it's fine. It'll come and it'll go. Don't think about it.
Pigmentation.
It's inflammation because of all the above things that you mentioned. तो वो बाकी सब रोक दो. And फिर भी अगर pigmentation है तो then it's hormonal, it's internal.
Okay. Collagen.
It is everywhere unnecessarily. It does nothing. Externally collagen does nothing. ना आप पीकर collagen use कर सकते हो, ना आप लगाकर collagen use कर सकते हो.
Inflammation.
Ooh, it is the biggest cause of all our problems in our body. And right now, people are using inflammation in a way that it is helping you, which is wrong. Retinol being one. Like people say, retinol use करो glow आता है. वो glow actually inflammation है. But that's being glorified. They say ये लगाओ थोड़ा सा tingling होगा. That means it's working. No, that's inflammation. Let's not normalize inflammation. It's a big problem. Inflammation is basically macrophage polarization होता है. There are different pathways. Usually जो inflammation है वो बुरी ही होती है. This is for people who come at me, no, inflammation is good also. तो मुझे पता है. इसलिए बता रही हूँ, different forms of inflammation होती हैं. Majority are not good.
ठीक है. Cleansing.
Cleansing.
One word.
Important.
Pollution.
It's definitely there and has to be eliminated on a daily basis from our pores.
Influencers.
I don't know.
What you have to say a word.
I had to say a word. मुझे भी लोग कई बार इन्फ्लुएंसर बोलते हैं, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है. पता है, there are some which are very good, but some.
Luxury skincare.
Sometimes it does cost a certain amount of money to make a certain kind of skincare. I'm not saying all luxury skincare is overrated. No, I think उसमें एक certain amount of research and finesse चाहिए होता है. But yes, sometimes it's overrated also.
One word.
Luxury skincare. Think before you buy.
Okay. Glass skin.
Impossible.
Impossible.
Impossible. If you see it, it is artificial or it is aesthetically provided by a clinic.
And last, sensitivity.
You have invited it upon yourself. आपने invitation दे के थाली सजा के बुलाया है इसको.
Wow, I think that is the perfect end to our episode.
Thank you.
I enjoyed a lot. It was so fun talking
I
to you.
loved it.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आई हो हमारे पॉडकास्ट में से तो नमन टॉक्स पॉडकास्ट चैनल पे रोज आपके लिए स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे नई क्लिप आएगी. रोज कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, रोज कुछ हेल्पफुल टिप मिलेगी. तो देखना मत भूलिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा.